All right, what's this thermal paste going to look like on this old Dell workstation here? What do you guys think this thermal paste is going to look like on the Xeon? Think it's going to be good? Think it's going to be bad? In 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that looks real crusty. And here is the CPU itself. And I mean, if I would have just ran this would have been really, really bad. It would have been awful if I did not repaste this CPU. All right, new 2660 V3 down inside. All right, let's get the cooler back on. Thermal paste, check. All right, we got the cooler back on. Everything's ready to go. All we have to do now is just turn it on and hope that it works.